Welcome to Kids Art Channel.
If you are new to this channel, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Hey kids, let's dive into the world of art and draw a fish. Start with scales, fins, and a happy face.
Fabulous. Cool. Awesome. Cool. Perfect. Fabulous.
Now I know my ABCs.
Awesome.
With me.
Bravo.
I hope kids you enjoyed it. See you next time. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.